I'm Anmol Srivastav, and he is my friend Ashish Srivastav. So my friend Albert Einstein once quoted that try to become a man of value rather than become a man of success.
Yes.
Because getting man of value is very important in today's generations. Becoming a man of value means you are giving something to our society. But if you become a man of success, it means that you are taking from the society. So we should try to give something to our society. Our main objective is to help others and to give something to our society. And if we do that, then we will call as a man of value, and it will provide a inner satisfaction. Because if we ran before the success, if we try to take from society and try to become a man of success, we will not get satisfied. So, for the main thing that we should become a man of value. It depends upon the philosophy and perception of a person. Because if a person have a philosophy and good perception that we should become a man of value, then he will certainly become a person of a value. Because we should have our own philosophy and principles that can guide me to become a man of value.
Yes, you are right.
And running before the success means you are not having your own principles and guidance. You only get attracted from the success, and you will deviate your path from becoming a valuable person. Today, most of the successful person, they have been successful because they are not running before the success. They are running for becoming a valuable person. There are many employees, there are many seniors who continuously told me that no, I have a 10 years of experience, I have a 15 years of experience, so I should get more money than a person who have a 2 years experience and 5 years experience. But main thing is that he have a different perception and philosophy. He thought that our salary will get to increase by our age, but it is not so. Salary gets increased, we will get promoted by the value we have been made in these 20 or 10 years, these decades. If you are not able to learn new skills, if you are not able to develop your talents, if you are not able to groom your self personality in these 10 years, so who will pay for you? Because I think that age will not provide you promotions. It will only matters. It only matters that what the value you possess. To become a valuable is very important for a person. Don't run for a success and years of experience, but always see yourself. Don't see other self. Don't see other but see yourself. If you see yourself, if you introspect yourself, then your value increases. And if your value increases, your success also increases. And your success also increases, then you will be satisfied person of your life, and you are contributing for the development of our society also, not taking from the society resources. You can become rich. You can become a rich by running before the success, by getting more and more success. You may have a good bank balance, good amount of money, big car, but it shows that you are taking from the society. But if you truly try to give yourself, if you truly try to contribute your roles in the development of society, so we should become valuable person. That's the main thing.
Yes, you are right. Actually, it is said that our values, they makes us a man of value, and success is a outcome of that. When you talk, it is rightly said by Booker T. Washington that success is not a position where you can reach. Success is the the how much hurdles you do overcome to get there. So it is very important to overcome the hurdles of the life, to face the adversity in the life, to face the dark situations in the life. And when you, when you revive from that situation, then you be called a successful man. But being a successful man, value is very important term, and I would say it is a vital term. because value, when you add value to yourself, success is already stick to you. Success is just an outcome of how much values you have made. You will be definitely get a success if you are having a good values, if you have acquired some good values inside yourself. So your values matters, not the success. Success is just a partner of the person who is having a lot of values. There are a lot of values that I want to talk about, such for example, value of your words. If you have given a words to some people, so you have to stick on it. It is very important point, because when you stick on your words, then you will be called a valuable person.
Yeah.
And that valuable person can got success in the world.
Yeah.
So in the corporates, it is also seen that giving words to someone like your boss, like your partner, employee, or any person, if you have given you words that you will complete the project till that time, so you have to do at any cost, you have to do. So it is the value of a thing. And there are a lot of values like value of honesty, value of kindness, value of politeness, value of egolessness. Some people, they acquire a lot of knowledge, they acquire good experiences. Although it is good, but how far it is good to take an ego inside yourself. It is very bad thing when you take ego inside yourself. So one thing I want to say, that your job, or you can say your value, is by your features. Suppose you see a smartphone. Why is a smartphone is costly like 5,000, 10,000, or more than that, even 15,000, 20,000, or more than that? Because it includes the features. Suppose you go to the market to buy a phone, and you said that please give me a phone which can perform the phone calls, which can send the messages and some little features. Then that phone will be easily available at 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees to you. But if you say to the shopkeeper that I want a phone which is having a good camera, I want a phone which is having the front camera, I want a phone which is having a long lasting battery, I want a phone which is having such and such good features, that features add the money to that phone. The phone of a good company, like you can say Apple or anyone, it doesn't make any value, but it features makes the value. In the same sense, how much feature you acquire, your value would be increased. Suppose you are a person and you are good in English, you are good in communicating to others, then it is a value. You will be definitely paid for that. In any corporate, in any interview, these skills matters to you. If you are a person, if you are very punctual in your job, in your time, then you will definitely paid for that. Your boss will see that this guy is punctual, you will be definitely get promoted. So it is a kind of success. Your promotion is a kind of success, and that comes when you move on adding values and values to yourself. So that is I want to say.
I want to give you two examples. First of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a person who had his own value, who have his own philosophy and principle of his life. At that time, he was giving a chance to become a president of India. So, but that time he refused to do that. Why? Because he don't want to take anything from a society. He was not striving. He was not fighting against the Britishers to just want for the sake of presidential post. But he was fighting just for the sake of a president, of a freedom of our country and nation. So it shows that he is a person who have a value. He doesn't care about the money. You think that you can see that he don't wears any beautiful clothes. He don't look as very charming. He didn't apply any kind of makeup to his body, but still he was such an impressive person at that time. So he is known as the father of our nation. So we should try to inspire from such type of persons in our life, like Mahatma Gandhi. Another example that I want to give of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Today he is at that post where he can gain enormous of wealth, where he can create enormous and billions of money within a single hour, where his decisions matters in our economy and in our country, where he, where by his orders, even a CM can be get thrown from his post, getting thrown from his even from a single decision. But the main thing, sitting at such a top post, he doesn't expect anything from himself. He don't expect anything from himself. He never says that no, I want to go to home. I'm very tired. He never says that no, I have a that much amount of bank balance. He never says, because he is a leader, because he is a person who has his own value. He is contributing for our society. He is doing hard work. He don't sleep. He sleep for even a minimum 3 to 4 hours a day, and he don't expect anything from such type of efforts, because he is gaining a value. He want to make him a valuable. He is such a priceless person, then that even a combined wealth of the nation, combined wealth of this world cannot be sufficient to purchase him.
Yes.
He is such type of person whose value, whose decisions are so much respected by our country, whose decisions are so much respected by our nation and the world, that no one can deny his orders, his decision.
Yes, you're right.
His single decision, we accept his single decision like a decision of a God,
Yes,
because
you're
he is a person of a value.
You are right. Actually, as you have talked about our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, so definitely he is a good one, because what he does is appreciated all over the world. As in the current situation, you know that there is a great, epidemic coronavirus disease. So
Yogi Adityanath.
yes, you are seeing that what happens in the California, sorry, in the Switzerland, there is a mountain. This is news of yesterday. I am telling you that there was a mountain and there was a laser light. Reflected on that mountain, and it was a flag of India. Why it was a flag of India? Because not only the India, but also all over the world is appreciating the efforts of India to get revived from this disease, to have a good control over this disease of coronavirus, and to over good control over the situation. In spite of India having some less resources, some not very well medical facilities like the foreign countries, not so much sophisticated tools, still he is able to fight with this coronavirus in a very good sense. How it is possible? It is only possible because of our masterminds, and that masterminds are nowhere. That are our prime minister, that are our good administrative officers, that are our good doctors, that are our, you can say, policemen. So they all are combined and they are performing the effort to revive of that diseases. So it is the value that they had acquired. That is why they are being able to fight from this situation. And the day will be very soon when we will succeed to fight from this disease, because it is a kind of success that we get after fighting completely from this disease. But how this success is acquired? This success is only acquired by the values acquired by the person who are responsible for controlling this. And I am not saying that administrative officers are only a part. The citizens of our country, they are also supporting. They are providing good supports, except of some people. All other peoples, they are having the good habit of remaining in the home for this time, and a lot of good things they are performing. So that is a good thing, I would say, that they are supporting. But returning to our topic that we have discussed, that the value of a person, how can it make to success? It is a big point, and we have to understand that for a success there is no such shortcuts. Some people say that, oh, I will lead to that shortcut of the success and then I would definitely become a success person. But it is not actually so. The people who thinks like so, they are fooled. Because some people think that I may perform some kind of robbery in a big bank or in a big place, and then I will definitely get rich person. But it is not actually so. You have a lot of threat, even the threat of your life. So please, I mean, take this point away from your mind that there is a success of there is any success of shortcut. There is no success of shortcut. Only you have to understand that how much values you are gaining, you have gained, and you will gain in the future. That will work you. That will act as a tool to achieve the success. Success is nowhere. Success is just accompanied by these tools, accompanied by the values. It is rightly said that courage is a virtue where all courage is a ladder where all virtues mount. Virtues are the quality that you acquire. Courage is one of the biggest quality that a person has. You see the people of the army, they have a lot of courage inside themselves. That is why they are being able to perform they are being able to make the impossible things possible. They are being able to perform the mountainous task even in the few seconds, because they have a lot of courage, and beside of courage they have a good discipline inside themselves. So it is very important to get success in life, to have a good discipline, to have these values inside yourself.
Those who cares about the value, they never get worried about his position. They never get worried about his designation. He never cares about his success. He never cares about his failure, and he never cares about his what the society thinks for him, because he thinks that value is all everything. Success is something, but value is everything in your life.
Yes, you're right.
So in order to make yourself valuable, there are some steps that you can do. There are some main things. First of all, don't see another person, don't see anybody else, but introspect yourself. Find your own talents and qualities. Always take care about your talents. Always try to become a valuable person by learning different skills, by learning different knowledge, by learning different other aspects of our society. Secondly, behavior and character plays a vital role in building the value of ourselves, because behavior and character are the mirrors in this. It is a mirror. So if we have a bad behavior, we have bad character, then it shows that we don't care about the value. Thirdly, we should have resolve and courage to fight the evil things in our society. We should have courage to fight evil things in our society. Means, for example, in your own locality, in your own society, there is a garbage. There is a garbage which is there from a long time, for 1 month or 2 months, and no one is picking that garbage. And there are many persons who are throwing garbage again and again at that place.
Yes.
So in such scenario, you should have courage to voice against such type of wrongdoings. You should have courage. You should ask the municipality corporation. You should ask your nearby sabasad or vidhayak, so that they can help that person to make your locality clean and green. I think it is not an easy work, because all the persons in the world, all the persons in your locality may not be free. They have their own work, they have their own life, they have their own busy. But our prime purpose, our prime motive is to give something to our society. It means that you cares about your locality, you cares. Your prime motive is this, not a different materialistic thing that you do in your daily work. So you should try to raise your voice against such type of wrongdoing, and then you automatically become a valuable person in your life. And I also implement such type of principles and this philosophy. If someone try to pollute our atmosphere, if someone try to throw any type of garbage in our locality,
Yes.
then I will start to put the water on that.
Yes, you are right.
And sometimes I always try to inform to our municipality, society, corporation, and different levels and different you can see, that different sabasad and vidhayak, so that they can send any person, send any official to remove such type of garbage and wastage. So it is our prime duty. We are the humans. Our sole responsibility, our sole duty is not to run for the success and other thing, but to take care of our society and people from where we live. Because we are built from the public. Public is not built from ourselves.
You are right. Actually, you are right. Because what happens, it is rightly said that courage is good, and you have to take it as a value. And but beside the courage, I want to say that you must acquire some other values. The very most of it is a responsibility. You must have to follow the responsibilities. You must have to fulfill the responsibilities by yourself, not only in your daily life but also in the corporates too. It is seen very much that how much responsible you are. Even you are paid for your responsibility. It is a fact. Your boss, your seniors, they are seeing that how much responsibility you can bear, and on the basis of that they are putting the load inside yourself. You have seen the difference between the salary of a bank manager and a peon of that bank. Why it is so? Because of responsibilities. I don't say that the responsibility of peon is not great. He has also great responsibilities, but the responsibility of branch manager is too higher. His workload is too higher than that. The work of any person is not bad. Even the peon is doing the good. He is serving to the officials. It is also good. But what the branch manager, able to tackle the responsibility, able to make the quick decisions, able to solve the problems, that is very much required in the life, and that values can only be acquired by practice. You cannot take a decision in a single go, in a first time, but after having the practice of decision making, you will be able to take the decisions at the right time. So it is a kind of value that you acquired, and that will make you successful. Believe me that the responsible persons, they are the successful persons of the society. You see the businessman. The businessman is not having a lot of time to roam. He is not having a lot of time to take the decisions. Sometimes they have to take the quick decision, and they also have to face the results. Either they are good or they are bad. So it is your responsibility which matters, which gives you a value to become success. And one thing that I want to say, beside responsibilities, your patience is a vital term. Is very much required as a value. When you acquire the patience inside yourself, then you are having the ability to see all the aspects of that matter. Because if any problem occurs, sometimes you get disappointed by that problem, sometimes you lose your heart, you don't think to try to solve the problem. So taking the patience inside yourself, it is a very important point of the life. It is a very important value of the life. Even the people who are responsible person, sometimes they do not take the patience inside themselves, and the results become fatal, and the results become very bad, very poor. So it is very important to have patience, and these virtues make you good person and make you successful. That I want.